Class, according to my calculation, Tunde Headnut is a Hausa man. You, OSJ, why not writing in my class? Sir, I don't have pen. Can you see your life? Borrow pen from somebody and copy this note, stupid boy. Hello, Principal. Good afternoon. This is Mr. Bello. Alpha, you have 2 pens. Please help me with 1.
Sorry, OSJ, I don't share my pen with people.
But you have 2 now.
And so, go and buy your own.
Okay, Principal, I'm coming to your office now. OSJ, you.
Hey God, it be like say these people don't notice here high before I come class. Hey, what you go do now?
Write the name of noisemakers. Sammy? Yes, you. Bro, Alpha, can you please help me spell your name?
But I didn't make noise.
Yeah! Yeah!
Jesus!
Yeah!
Eventually, times 10, times 70. Okay, class, I'm back. OSJ, give me the name of noisemakers. Okay, sir, with pleasure. Jesus! Oh, princess, times 7,000. Oh, you can make noise, right? Come outside.
Jesus, what did I do?
What did Jesus do to you? Go outside and collect Kenjare.
What be this?
I call on the spirit of the dragon
Jesus.
You see this life, they try to share.
It is finished.